Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to hide offensive comments on Instagram. Maybe you want to hide offensive comments on Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can hide offensive comments on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application. Once you open it, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. From here, you'll see your account profile on this lower right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And then in here, you'll be directed into your profile page. From here, simply tap on these three lines on the upper right corner of your screen. And then select Settings and Privacy. From here, you have to scroll down and you will see in here the hidden words. Tap on Hidden Words. And here, as you can see, harmful or offensive comments and messages. To hide harmful, offensive comments, simply tap on these Hide Comments. As you can see, comments that may be offensive will be hidden in a separate section of your posts, reels, and videos. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can hide offensive comments, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can hide offensive comments on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.